Yes, my people, as we dey continue from our last class wey we don start dis angles matter, for dis place we wan discuss angles between lines. You see two lines, line A and line B, abi? So dis two lines dey come meet at O. Angle between lines na the amount of turn, make I talk am put am like dis, na the turn wey line A go turn reach wey him and line B go dey point the same direction, or the turning wey line B go turn reach wey e go come join A, dem go dey point the same direction. You see am, wey go come meet B, now dem dey point the same direction. Na im be angle between lines. If two lines meet like dis, they don create angles between them, so they don create at least two angles. Dis green turning na the first angle wey A create with B. A still fit turn dis way, then come meet B. A don create another angle between them, abi? Now we get small waka and big waka, so dis one na a small angle wey e don create. Dis red turning now wey A don turn come meet B for dis side now, na another angle. Dat one we go call am big angle. Small angle, big angle. We go denote dis small angle as alpha, and then dis big angle make we call am beta. The angle wey dey concern us most na dis small one. So we go prefer to do small turning to get wetin we dey look for than to dey go round. Angles between lines na wetin dis one mean now. The angle wey dey inside na the small one, the one wey dey outside na the big one. I hope say dis one make sense. Abeg make we grab am first. Now see clock or watch. The same 360 degrees turn na im dey come divide into 12. So we have one revolution equal to 360 degrees equal to 12 points. First of all, we don talk say 1 degree like this na equals to 1 revolution over 360, abi? So we dey divide everything here by 360. Then make we divide this 12 by 360 now. We go say 12 here go give us 1. 12 into 360 we go get 30, abi? So 1 over 30 na 1 degrees for this point wey we dey make now. So make I do am the way wey e go make sense, make we see. Since 360 dey equal to 12 points, come divide both sides by 12 like this, we go come get 30 degrees. So for each movement, each one step wey we take on our time watch, we dey cover 30 degrees. Wetin I mean be this. So if I start from here, from 12, I move one step here, 30 degrees. One step here, 30 degrees. Another step, 30, 30, 30, 30. I don cover 180 degrees. I go move again 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, and 30. I don cover the 360 degrees. This one don make sense, abi? Now we know say if we divide this cycle into 12 equal parts, angles between these lines na 30 degrees. You see say to some extent now, we can easily measure some angles between lines like this, or some turns between lines like this. So we don break am down into small measurement of small angles. We go fit do this exercise. You go help me do am. No dey solve anyone. Use your head small and do am. You understand now? The revolution expressed in degrees, or degrees expressed as revolution. Just complete this table. So wetin dey happen? 1 revolution na 360. 2 revolution, wetin you think say e go be? 3 revolution come give us 1080 degrees. 10 revolutions, wetin you think say e go give us in degrees? Here we don get 90 degrees. How many revolutions you think say go give us this 90 degrees? See this soft one. This one soft well. I fit help you solve this one. Make we try this one. So if I get 1/2 like this, first of all, I go convert am to improper fraction. I go say 2 times 1, I go get 2, plus 1, I go get 3. So I don get 3 over 2 revolution. Since 1 revolution na 360, any number of revolution wey we get, we go come multiply am by 360. If I buy pen, 10 naira. If I buy 2, 3, or 4 pen, I go multiply the 3 wey I buy by 10 naira. I go get 30, abi? So I dey buy 1 revolution for 360. So if I move 2, 3, or 4, or 3 over 2 revolution, I go multiply am by 360. So I come get 3 over 2 times 360 degrees. 2 go come go into 36. we come get 18. So if I come multiply 3 by 18, I go get 54. So you know, remember I said I no throw away that 0. Now the result be this. So you come here, come put 540 degrees. I don't do this one for now. You will come do the rest, abi? Thank you.